Hey, it's a super awesome place. It's a very posh area of Pune, and sorry for the light of the video, but just bear with me for some time. And it's in the very posh area of Pune. So let's go ahead and inside and just show you the theme of the restaurant. It's a super awesome place. It's a very posh area of Pune, and sorry for the light of the video, but just bear with me for some time. And it's in the very posh area of Pune. So let's go ahead and inside and just show you the theme of the restaurant. It's okay. So this is an awesome theme of Mumbai, and I'll just show you. I'll just run through the restaurant, and it's themed. It is very much awesome theme. And I'll start off from the local window. I mean local trains window. So whatever you see over here is something that is related to Mumbai. So if you see over here, it's something like local theme of Mumbai. Team Bun Maska something, and Man Keema Pav. The best thing that we find in Mumbai. Bomb Police again. It's everything that reminds me of Mumbai. The BSC, Bombay Stock Exchange. Anda Bhujia chicken by the roti. Something that is famous in Chote Mian, Bade Mian and Chote Mian. And something that is known as Kali Pili. That is again the cabs. Cabs over there in Bombay are known as Kali Pili. This is something famous that way friends used to do, egg manchow soup 1/2. I mean, you never used to eat the entire manchow soup. And I mean, we used to say that, okay, make it 1/2. This one is famous, uska chamcha hai kya. And this is the entire thing, I mean, it reminds me of Mumbai. And it's very, very nice. This one is right, east or west, this city is the best. So best is the Mumbai Best bus over here. Kokcha is a famous word again for Mumbai, which is like a silent place in the corner. And it's really, really nice over here. It's from the famous movie Diwar. And right now, I mean, it's a very famous movie. It's a movie where all the dialogue era started. One of the most famous Panwala in Mumbai, Mochhad Panwala. And that's pretty much it, Mumbai theme. We also have Mumbai Dabbawalas team over here. The best bars in Mumbai Dabbawalas team. आगे आगे So this place has awesome songs, as I told you, and we are now going to sing birthday song for the birthday boy, we sent him to bring his own birthday cake. Birthday boy, where is your birthday cake? For the city streets, one love. For the hip hop beats, one love. If you believe, one love is all we need. So we'll have to sing it for him. Are we ready for singing?
No, we can have the birthday song also now.
So we are going to sing it for birthday right now. One love, for the city streets, one love. For the hip hop beats, one love. If you believe, one love is all we need.
One love is all we need, man.
Don't worry. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rohit. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
हाथ लगाया तो हाथ काट देंगे साला अपनी तो चलने दे
Yo, dude, we are winning.
You are losing because I won. I am the one who is the reason समझते हो? और ठीक है माना क्या हुआ
What a man, you had the awesome birthday, most awesome birthday ever.
Thank you so much guys. Huh? I understand. I don't deserve it. मेरे को I understand. I also no better.
So hi, we are back over here on this channel, and this time today's restaurant was Bombay Bronx, and we ordered a couple of food items over here.
Yeah, before that you can see it is kind of a desi style here. If you see here, the ambience here and all the setup, it looks like desi. And
You can see the Mumbai train, train map over here at the top. So it's the Western Lane, Central Lane, Harbour
Yes.
Lane, and the
the
Eastern Lane.
setup is like that, and you can see the dabbawalas also. Can you do that? Yeah. See here, this looks like a Mumbai dabbawala, which is like very famous and the main source of food in Mumbai. That is Mumbai dabbawala. So we
yeah.
salute them.
We
And-
salute them, and they are so much precise. Like they deliver millions of tiffins
Yes.
and to the accurate address. So
Yes,
they
and
don't
they
have.
try to-
And the interesting fact about this is they have an error percentage of 0.01.
Wow, that's awesome.
That
That's
is
awesome.
like one dabba in a million.
Yes,
So
that is like we are very proud of them. Actually, everyone should be proud of them
Even,
because food is
uh,
the main thing a person should have when he's working. Day
even
and night.
even I mean the unique thing about this dabbawalas is the even Queen of England came in and
Yes.
understood the management process of this dabbawalas. And also these are like the case studies. How do they manage? I mean, these are the case studies in the leading colleges of India, like
Yes,
IIMs.
yes.
Like how do they
And
manage
the
all this stuff?
Most amazing thing about them is they carry it in their bicycles, and it's like Mumbai, right? Mumbai is like huge, vast. So they will wake up early in the morning, they'll pack the dabbas and they'll go all over the Mumbai to serve the food to the need of the people, and that's amazing actually.
And one more thing about it, let's say that say suppose if you left out of one roti or some sabzi out of it.
Okay.
So they provide with a sticker, share my food.
Oh.
A round sticker, small sticker,
Okay.
share my food. So if you stick it on your dabba and give it back to the dabbawalas, what they do is collect the remaining food items and
it to
share
the
it with the not the give it to
needy.
the needy people.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
So
amazing. And one
that's-
more thing, if you people have seen that movie, The Lunchbox, there you can see how
Yeah.
those people are and how it is important in Mumbai to have those dabbawalas. It's
So they are like the
awesome.
lifeline of millions
Yes.
of service-oriented people.
Yes, that's correct.
So we ordered couple of food items over here, like
Yeah, we ordered 2 platters, one veg platter, one non-veg platter. That was good. And the best thing I liked about it was the French fries.
the French fries.
Yeah, it comes in this bucket. Usually we find dal makhani or some dal in this bucket, but here if you see some French
comes in
fries are
this.
there, and the taste was good. It was fried in desi ghee.
I hope you can see that.
Yes,
Yeah.
it
The taste
amazing.
is really good.
It is amazing.
Yum.
He's having it.
Yum.
Yeah.
So,
So-
taste was really good. So we had French fries,
And
we
I
had
have
paneer
the bill
wrap.
in my hand. I have the bill in my hand.
And
We were
it's-
13 people.
Is it
and-
cheap?
Okay, let me see. It's not that cheap, but okay. The positives are,
If you drink,
yeah, the drinks are okay. Yeah, the drinks are costly. The food, the starter is not that much costly, but still the con of this restaurant is we didn't have any proper dinner. We ordered some couple of starters in platters, and we ordered some individual starters, and then we ordered drinks. That's it.
yeah, we ordered couple of drinks actually.
Couple of drinks. Yeah, we ordered
Yeah.
some bucket, and we ordered some old monk quart, and the total is 9,000.
Couple of like we ordered couple of like
13,796.
13. Yeah, with 13,000 rupees. So we ordered couple of beers like.
Guys, this is costly. This is costly. We didn't have our dinner also.
So no problem.
So
I mean,
they have put 4,000 as tax. Grand total here it says it's 9,749, and grand total here it says
no,
13,796.
it's this plus food. So it's this plus food.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, it is a bit ends up on a costlier side.
Yes,
But
it
yes,
is costly.
on a theme side, yes, it's really good. If you so let's say, I mean, I was the one who started off from Mumbai. I miss Mumbai, and when I came over here, I felt like coming in and enjoying this place. So all the things reminded me of the things that we did in Mumbai. Okay, so here are we, and this was an awesome place over here. So here's a person from Bombay Bronx. So they have a total of 8 outlets, 4 in Mumbai and 4 in Pune, right? And we loved this place totally, and it was super awesome. And our friends are still enjoying out there, and we had an awesome birthday. Thank you, dude. Thank you.
Good restaurant. I don't know
Yeah,
the name.
the name is Bombay Bronx.
Bombay Bronx Rocks.
Yeah, it rocks.
But only on Wednesday, because today is Wednesday. We love Wednesday.
Yeah.
And happy birthday, birthday.
Happy birthday, and this was an awesome place. And let's sign off for the vlog today.